to enable bridge mode on Vodafone UK Broadband. So if you want to enable bridge mode on your Vodafone UK broadband router, then enabling bridge mode on your Vodafone for UK broadband router can help improve your network performance by allowing another router to manage your network. So follow these steps to enable the bridge mode safely. Step 1 is to access the router settings. Connect your computer or device to a Vodafone router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1.1, into the address bar. Log in using your admin credentials, which is the second step. Navigate to your advanced settings. Once logged in, look for the advanced settings or network settings in the router's interface. This is where you will find the options related to your network configurations. Third step, you need to locate your bridge mode option. In the advanced settings, you need to search for the bridge mode option. It may be listed under the settings or similar categories. Click on it to access the bridge mode configuration. The fourth step is to enable bridge mode. Select the option to enable bridge mode. You may need to confirm your choice or save the settings. This action will disable the router's capabilities and allow another router to take over. Fifth step is to restart the router. After enabling the bridge mode, restart your Vodafone router for the changes to take effect. Ensure that your secondary router is connected properly to take over the network management. Once you have completed these steps, your Vodafone router will be in the bridge mode, allowing another router to manage your network. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.